Hello, young coders. Today, we are diving into another electrifying project with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit. Get ready to build an infrared-based object detection counter that's perfect for your next science exhibition. First things first, let's set up our workspace. Make sure your kit is powered off before we begin. Now, take the IA sensor module with its 3 pins, GND, VCC, and out. We'll connect the jumper wires to the module just like this. See how I'm attaching them? The GND and VCC wires go to the power connectors GND and 3.3 volt sockets, and the out wire connects to pin 1 on the CPU. With our module connected, let's power up the kit and navigate to Menu L303. If you're new to our menu system, take a quick look at our menu navigation video to catch up. At Menu L303, a helpful message will pop up after 10 seconds or if you nudge the joystick to the right. To bypass this, just flick the joystick to the left. Ready? Press the joystick to activate the counter. Bring your hand close to the IR sensor and watch as the counter beeps and the number on the display increases. If you hold your hand there, the count will go up every second. When you're ready to wrap up, a simple joystick move to the left will take you back to the main menu. And here's a tip: use the included jumper wires to extend the sensor into a model building for a more realistic setup. Now, let's take a sneak peek at the Python code behind our project. You're free to tweak the message, the delay, and more. Grab the code and continue experimenting with Menu L306 or beyond. And remember, if you ever need help, our AI chatbot is here to guide you. For all the resources you need and more exciting projects, visit us at SchoginiToys.com. Let's code, count, and create as we journey to become Python masters. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.